Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Gonna be making my fire with a little bit of fatwood today. There you go. So I want to do both. I want to try to do some feathers and I want to try to do some shavings. Oh man, oh. Okay. I got something else I can use as a backup. Alright, this is just a hearth board from an old I have like a box of just random bow drill stuff. So hardly weighs anything, probably about as much as a pencil. But I thought I would use it as sort of a place down. I don't know if it's you know, I wanted to put this down so all the shavings wouldn't go flying. And what happened? All the shavings went flying. We get a little dirt off of this, but spine on this is not exactly the best, but fortunately I have another knife with me. I just have to get up and get it again. Alright, get the LT Wright GNS, the Head and Woodsman model. Thank you again, Malcolm. That should be good enough. Well, that sucks. So my fire kind of petered out. It's so, there's so much moisture in the air today, and the temperature just kind of killed my fire. And all the wood is just soaking wet. So I think what I'm going to do is plan B. It's the next day, it's not raining. I'm going to come out and bring wood from home that I know for a fact that it's dry, and get a good fire going with that and build up a nice coal base, and then cook on that. So and I can see my breath when I breathe out. So it's a chilly day today. I mean, it's probably been there's some ice build up on some of the trees and stuff as I was walking in. So it's been a chilly day. I mean, it's December 1st, so plan B will be go to the park. Well, I can do two things. I can go to the park and do some of the videos I had planned at the park, and then the next time there's a dry day, I can come out and just go one of the side of the road campsites and just bring firewood and get a good fire going and let the coals build up, and then because everything is just soaked out here. I mean, yeah, I did get it going, but it's alright, I'll just postpone it. I was going to do pie irons, but I think that's going to be held off, so. Alrighty, so, well, it's a sunny day. It's not a very warm day. I mean, it's not so cold I can't be out here, but the simple fact is it's really wet too from all the morning condensation, and it's tough getting dry firewood. I did get a fire started with some fatwood, so that was nice. Got a shelter put up. I mean, it definitely needed a sleeping pad and definitely needed a sleeping bag, but also you'd have to have a bag rated well enough to last you all night, because I wouldn't want to get up and keep stoking the fire, because that sucks. I know it from experience. That sucks. So, all right, I think I'm gonna head out of here and grab the rest of my stuff and just postpone the pie irons for another day. Probably the next not rainy day that I have off, I'll just bring wood from home, do a good fire, and then cook that way. So, you know, it is what it is. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.